Hello, welcome to West Yorkshire Engines and the Big UK. Big thank you to all you guys who subscribe to his channel. In today's video I'm going to share a sound coming from an engine that I've not been able to share with you before because we've not had this faulted before. Now this particular sound, there's a little story behind it. Going back many years ago, I built an engine from a customer right at the tip of Scotland, and he come and collected his vehicle and drove it away. He phoned me about 2 weeks later saying he had this horrible noise coming through his engine and he daren't drive it anymore, and it was demanded that we went and collected his vehicle and get it repaired under warranty because he bought an engine from us. So we did that, we got it back down here and we got it back in the workshop. We quickly jumped on it, ripped engine out, stripped engine completely, only to find nothing wrong with it. Put it back together, put the engine back in, and then we heard this sound. So I'm going to share this with you now. Noise, guys. So you would be concerned if you don't know anything about engines and you hear that noise. Yeah, you'd be concerned. But what it actually was is come find out. Right, guys. So you can imagine how much of a big job it was. All the way up to Scotland. Back down, engine out, rebuild, back in, hearing the same noise. There's two ways to diagnose this fault. The first one's a magic formula. What's it done? Quick fix, wasn't it? No, on a serious note, that sound, I've had a number of customers come to me saying that they'd been to a garage previously before me and they'd been quoted like £1,400 to do the timing chain, and all it required was a bit of magic WD-40. And Suzanne's actually done it a few times as well on a few customers. Right, let me explain what it is. It's faulty chain tensioner. So the second way to diagnose it is remove the bolts and start the engine. And that's what it is. Now the noise is actually coming from this bearing, which goes in the centre of there like that.
Did you mean belts or bolts? You said
belt.
You said bolts.
Oh well, I meant belts then. So, you don't have to buy the whole unit. This is a Koyo bearing, so you can buy it for nominal pennies. So you don't have to buy it from Nissan, buy it from Koyo. And basically the grease inside dries out and the noise is the ball bearings slapping together, and there you go. Nice easy fix. Right, if you need my help and assistance at all, please feel free to get in contact. The details are at the end, email, contact number. You can find us on Facebook. Support us channel by buying us merch down below, and give us a like, come back again, and we'll share everything we can with you. Thanks for watching. Cheers, guys.
All right.